Let me show you a way to work on big parts without having to move them off your fixture table. So I've got this this is going to be a hanging bar made out of brass tube. It's got bends in it, but what you can barely see is there's a couple of seams. Now inside those seams is a 3-inch long, 7/8 diameter piece of aluminum, and I've got to drill and tap 2 screws in it. Now, I could bring this over to the drill press, but it would be really unwieldy to get it all squared and indexed, and I could make a ton of different lines and registration marks and try to keep everything square. But the easier thing to do is to take my mag drill, drill 2 holes, and then take my electric tapping arm, which is on the magnetic base that I made, and just tap everything right here on the table. Now I've already done one of these over there. Let me show you how I do this one. So I'll use this battery operated mag drill to drill perfectly square down through the brass and the aluminum that's inside it. Now I'm using a number 7 drill, and I put a little spacer there just so I can get to the same depth on both of the holes. Now a number 7 drill, for those that know, is the drill size for a 1/4-20 tap, and I'm drilling probably about 3/4 of the way through this assembly. Now once that's done, I clean it off, do a quick little deburr, and now you can see the magnetic base tapping arm, which is electric in this case, not a pneumatic style, and it's got a built-in clutch which will actually stop this from breaking the tap once it gets down to the bottom. Now I'm using a spiral flute tap that'll push those chips out, and then just using some little cap head 1/4-20 hardware. Worked perfect.